Unlock Webflow's true potential by seamlessly integrating its design with the powerful capabilities of Visual Studio Code. Begin by exporting your Webflow project. Navigate to your Webflow dashboard, select your project, and then find the Export Code option. This will download a zip file containing your project's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file into a new folder. This organized structure is crucial for working effectively in your code editor. Now, open this folder in Visual Studio Code. You'll immediately see the breakdown of your Webflow project's code, giving you direct access to every element and style. This direct access allows for advanced manipulation. You can precisely edit the HTML structure of your Webflow pages, offering a level of semantic control beyond the visual designer. Similarly, you can dive deep into your CSS. This means adding custom styles, overriding Webflow's defaults, and implementing exact design specifications that might be tricky within the visual interface alone. For interactive elements, your project's JavaScript is readily available. You can write custom scripts to enhance user experiences, integrate third-party libraries, or create dynamic functionalities that go hand in hand with your Webflow design. By bringing your Webflow code into Visual Studio Code, you're not just editing files. You're embracing a workflow that offers unparalleled customization, deeper integration possibilities, and the ability to streamline even the most complex Webflow projects into highly sophisticated websites. This is how you truly master Webflow development.